What's going on, everyone? We're going to take a live technical analysis look after the market has closed here. Today is Monday the 3rd. I hope you guys all had a fantastic weekend. You guys all get ready for a great weekend tomorrow, which is the 4th. Celebrate, take some time away from the screens, do whatever you guys need to do. We're looking at Nvda. We're looking at the daily time frame. Now, today we were up $1 on the day, pretty much flat, essentially, right? One thing that I do want to point out, we did take out last week's highs, that 425, 426 area, and we quickly went up to 429. Now, that was immediately off the bell, that pre-market session. You know, we kind of immediately just ran up there, right? So if I look at the session today, look at the pre-market levels here, where we kind of opened up, where we were trading at realistically an hour before the market. Now, on the 5-minute time frame, we did have this 50 SMA here, and you can see the first 5-minute candle absolutely exploded. If you were a risky trader, you would have essentially said, you know, if we take out this whole consolidation that we had here in the pre-market, let me kind of draw this out. Like, if you look at this price action here and you look at the first opening 5-minute candle, we immediately exploded right off the bell. Now, there was an area of opportunity to kind of get in there, kind of use one of these lower supports as your stop loss, even the pre-market low as your stop loss, somewhere around 423. We ran from an entry price of around 426 all the way up to 429. Now you can see where we touched. This is a linear regression channel. We came all the way up here, tested this area, and then retraced. Essentially did nothing left the rest of the day. Kind of came all the way back down to this 200. And again, depending on your trading style, whether you're trading supply and demand, you're trading price action, you're using moving averages, this, that, and the other, you could have looked at this in one of two ways. We came down to the pre-market lows, tested, held, and we bounced. You could have taken this bounce off of the 200 SMA, told yourself, you know, well, you know, we had this big push here, we pulled all the way back down to this, you know, macro 5-minute support here, and we bounced. You could have used the low of day as a stop. There's a number of different setups that you could have taken. You could have taken the pre-market high breakout, sold here into supply, kind of let all this digestion happen, took the bounce. Again, it doesn't really matter how you trade. There's a number of different strategies out there. They're all profitable. What you need to have in any type of you know, strategy, you got to have an in, you got to have an out, and you have to be able to justify that technically, why you're taking that trade and why you're going to get out of that. Now, going back to the daily chart, there's a couple of things that I'll be looking for going forward here on Nvda. We've got some daily support at the 10, 5, and 20-day moving average. My short position, my entry for a short position still remains true to around 411, 410. If we close below the 411, 410 area, I will be looking for the next day to confirm that, because we've got room down to 390. Okay, that's the big breakdown that I'll be looking for. Now, if we're looking for a continuation to the top side, look at the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days, kind of holding this 20 SMA here before we got this little bit of a gap up today. I'm going all the way back here to the 26th of June, right? Look at the 26th of June. That high was the last time that we were really trading over and testing this 5-day moving average besides last Friday. Look at that price point here, sitting at around 427.55, sitting at around today's highs at 428 level. If we can confirm today's highs anytime, okay, anytime, 429, I'll be looking for that run up back into these all-time highs here of 439. 440 would be the next stop over today's highs. That's what I'll be looking for here. And then the next high of day break, the next, you know, this year's break is going to be 447. So I'm looking for 439 and 447 over today's highs, as long as we are trading above the 5 and 10-day moving average. The short position is below 411 through this consolidation and this support below the 20 SMA. Price target 390. Those are the two plays that I'm looking at. Make sure you mark them out on your charts. Make sure you look over the daily charts and you kind of watch these. You set your alerts and you're ready. That's the number one thing as a day trader, as any type of trader, is you need to do your homework. You need to be ready. You need to have your in, you need to have your out. If you guys are looking for more help, more training, make sure to join evolutiontraders.com. All of those links are down in the description box below. If you guys are looking to get funded with a prop firm, I work with 3 fantastic prop firms. They're all down in the description box below. I'll see you guys on the next video.